It's a Western stew recipe, but West African stew recipe. Trust me, I don't even remember the name, but I tried it my own way. Well, I've ever tasted it somewhere, but I decided to try doing it my own way because I don't even know the name, but it's really amazing. If I find out the name, I'll pin it down there. In the meantime, hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Guys, I'm doing this very nice, amazing and rare recipe. It's more of it's more of a West African cuisine, and I just want to take you guys through how I'm going about it here. So basically, I'm going to cook. If you watched my previous cooking video, there's this vegetable mixture that I prepared with rice. Yeah, so today I'm cooking rice, the same vegetables, and an additional stew. I'm gonna make chicken stew. So I just marinated my chicken. You can see I used soy sauce, ginger, garlic, black pepper and salt. This is how my marinated chicken looks. Now I want to prepare this chicken in a very interesting way. So the first thing I want to do after my chicken is marinated enough, I want to bake it a little bit. Is it baking or roasting? Is it baking or roasting? Either, but the way you wanna call it. I want to put it in the oven for a few minutes for it to roast a bit, and then I'm gonna show you the next thing after roasting it. So I'm going to use this is it called what is this called? Is this called a wire? I don't know. It's for roasting. If you know, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to use this one. Yeah, so I've already cut the amount of manila pepper. Pepper foil. This is how it looks, because I'm going to be using this surface only, so I don't need it to be all covered. But you know, the chicken is small, only for 1 or 2 people. After I've spread my pepper foil like that way, I'm going to spread a little bit of olive oil. But you guys, I do not have that brush for spreading oil right now, so I'm gonna I'm gonna use my hands like that. Just spread it a little bit on the pepper. Then I'm going to line the chicken one by one. Yeah, I'm lining my chicken one by one. So that is how it looks. Then after that, I'm going to sprinkle more oil on top. Guys, I promise I'll buy that brush, but for now we have to work with what we have. Yeah, so after that, I'm done spreading my olive oil. The next thing I'm going to do is sprinkle a little bit of dried rosemary leaves. So I don't like using fresh rosemary leaves here because I'm gonna put it in the oven. So the thing, it means it's gonna dry up anyway. So I'm using dried rosemary leaves just to give it a bit of aroma. So guys, that is how my chicken looks. It's marinated chicken. It has I've sprinkled a bit of dried rosemary leaves and olive oil. So I'm just gonna put it inside the oven and bake it for like 15 minutes. So guys, my oven has been preheating for a few minutes. Just gonna put it in the middle so that it has an even distribution of heat. There is heat from above, heat from below. So it's gonna heat for like 5 minutes, then I'll turn it, heat for 5 minutes, then I'll turn them again. After that, I'll be ready for the next step here. So guys, that is my onions and pepper in there. My rice is already cooked, it's just waiting for the stew. And then those are my vegetables, they're already steamed. To see the vegetable tutorial, watch my previous video. So I'm going to fry the onions until they start turning gold, a bit of gold, not very gold. So meanwhile, as my onions are cooking, I have these tomatoes. So what I'm going to do with the tomatoes, I'm going to blend them. Here are my tomatoes. So I'm going to use the chopper part of the blender to blend them. I'll add the blended tomato. After adding the blended tomato, I'm just gonna allow them to cook for a while. The tomatoes have to cook, you know. I did not capture adding peanut to my stew, but this is how it looks after I've added the peanut butter. So that is how my paste looks like. It looks good already. It has cooked for around 5 minutes. That is my vegetables over there. Hot. The chicken is ready. I'm gonna add it into the saucepan. That is the last step. Then we serve with our rice and vegetables. So guys, the chicken is ready. This is how it looks. It looks really yummy already. Actually, you can eat it at this point, but we still have one more thing to do with it. So I'm just gonna empty them into the saucepan. So we have to cook it until the paste becomes thicker and thicker. You can cook until the paste becomes thicker to your preference. But because I'm gonna eat it with rice, I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to be thick enough but not too thick, so that I can mix it properly with my rice. And finally guys, a bit of dhania. Of course, we have to garnish it with dhania. Yeah, so our dhania is in there. It looks so yummy already. The food is ready. When you see dhania in food, know that it's ready to eat. So guys, I'm done cooking. The food is ready, as you have seen how it looks. I've already mixed it because, well, it tastes more delicious when it's mixed. Yeah, so, and as usual, I have to do a review of my cooking and tell you guys how it tastes. But this one you must try. If you like very nice exotic cuisines, you should try these recipes. This is amazing. It is super, man. This combination is heavenly. Let's test the chicken. The chicken is so nice, sweet and tender, you guys. Super, super awesome, super amazing. You guys will just have to get used to seeing me eat, okay? Yeah, because I love doing nice recipes and I love eating good food, and I just decided to also take you guys through my recipe so that you can also enjoy this amazing cuisine. Okay, try this meal. Just try and make it. Tell me how it tastes. If it tastes really good, come back to this video and comment down below. Stay tuned for more. Till next time, have a nice time. Let me enjoy my meal. I can't wait to finish this meal. Yeah, so let me enjoy my meal. Yeah, so thank you for watching till this very end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this amazing super cuisine recipe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, share and comment down below, and see you in the next video.